Rise up to the throne, unapologetic, strong, claim crown. We built an empire from nothing at all. To us all, we reign supreme. Rise up to the throne, unapologetic, strong, claim crown. We built an empire from nothing at all. To us all, we reign supreme. Empire said, pouring concrete in the dark. Spread on God, it's hard to keep up. Hood finally got a taste of what's mine. Ceiling now, we made it through the storm. Gonna stop me riding high like never before. Kingpin with empire, vast and wide. The darkest days now, I rule the night. Empire said, pouring concrete in the dark. Melted the mold, now they crave a taste. Iron and grease, empire foundation laid. This spring I rose to claim my throne. All bow and all, my reign alone. Crown glitters neath the city's glow. Whip chrome, outshine their wild dream. Hood sees now what was hidden from view. King born, striking with power new. Empire shattered sky, legacy high. Hidden artist years in the dark. Overlooked triumph, tragedies. Pain of power forces align. Hood wary, coat telltale. Concrete cathedral, masterpiece born. Iron sword, clash, crown king now. This is just half of my throne worth. Eagle vision, top highest peak. Apologize, rise, no need seek. Dragon's lair, shadow bird. Crown might rule with flair. Legacy born, morning light. Humble beginnings fled. Empire, greatest trophy, spread the word. Everyone here feel it fled. Rise up to the throne, unapologetic, strong, claim crown. We built an empire from nothing at all. To us and all, we reign supreme. Rise up to the throne, unapologetic, strong, claim crown. We built an empire from nothing at all. To us and all, we reign supreme. Dust to monarch and the king. Hood to throne, left it all behind. Victory flame burning with pride. Empire rising, can't stop. Sideline doors unlocked, crown on my head. Shadow world left elevated in red. Ambitions fuel a lightning kid. Victorious ruler, empire pride. Legacy born from solitude. Empire rises, world and woke codes to lock minds open wide. Eagle visions rule, hustles can't hide. Arrogance fueled by ambition's flame. King on the throne, empire's my game. From darkness to lightning strike gold. Unlock your mind, this is not told. Empires rise, shadows ignite. Born, raised in the hood's embrace. Storm, strike, but I never broke. Whip of chrome, my kingdom no stake. King on the throne, unapologetic reign. Iron in hand, no one can contain. More than a bust down, diamond crown. Empire's coronation, profound renown. Hood to throne, I carved my own way. Took whip keys, unlocked success today. Eagle vision, empire, my sight. Built from nothing, a masterpiece, might. Shadows have failure now. Raised concrete, pouring code in space. Mogul, patriarch, iron willed. This coronation power fulfilled. Rise up the throne, unapologetic, strong, claim crown. We built an empire from nothing at all. To us and all, we reign supreme. Rise up the throne, unapologetic, strong, claim crown. We built an empire from nothing at all. To us and all, we reign supreme. Empire birth from shadow now ignited. Darkness fades, new dawn line. Iron and vein, will to dominate. Mo reborn with power and fame. Kingdom rises against all odds arrayed. No plastic trophy, built empire said. Concrete hands, code wired mind. Coronation's throne, legacy designed. Iron forged in shadow years. Crowned king, silence fears. Rags to riches, glory birth. Kingdom grip worth, true mirth. A legacy beyond my grasp. Dynasty's victory we clasp. Eagle vision, untamed lands. Wealthy veins, pulse command hands. Rise up to the throne, unapologetic,